No.
Okay, but now it picks me up. Alrighty, all tidy, almighty. Let's see. We are going to... Yes, you did the ping. What did you type this time? Skadoodle.
Yes.
Skadoodle.
That's what you said, bro.
Yeah,
That's what you
I
said.
said. I like your...
Yeah, I've become so non-creative these days. I just
Wow.
like take a bit of the shit you say like before or at the start of the stream and I use that.
I did some offline camera mining. Off-cam
Yes.
mining. What is it called? So it's a little bit cleaner, the organization of stuff now. Apparently I did not push it. But
And we are doing what today?
today we are gonna make
Rotations would be pretty good.
Bro,
1 minute later.
We're not
And GLTF loading. Bro, I'm just reading the old thing. I got trolled.
We're not.
We're doing live again.
What?
Today, new ECS.
Today, new ECS.
We are live yet again. Recursion incoming, recursion incoming, recursion incoming, recursion incoming, recursion incoming, recursion incoming. Segfault core dumped, yes.
Yes, sure.
Yes.
But yeah, I moved a lot of shit so that it doesn't... These two could be almost in the same, but not really. But these were like AI generated to... Yeah. Hello, Penguin Operator. Or it's still like my own old code. They just moved it to a separate file. Two separate files when they could probably be in the same. But it just...
So what are we doing today, Lucas?
We are doing the game. The actual, we're gonna start moving the...
Wow. That's so creative. That's all you know.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty fire. Okay, let's see. So we are going to do what exactly? We're gonna run this thing and then I have to check that we have... Did I say hello to Penguin Operator already? I'm gonna say hello once more. Oh,
yeah, hello, Penguin Operator.
Actually, I'm gonna do a quickie dicky. Not that. This. And then I'm gonna just close that and close that. Let's go in. So... God. We are going to run the server and then we're gonna run one client. Run. Let's see, I think there should be like, yeah, a few entities there. Woo! Yeah, the AI generated actually some quite interesting logic. It added a boom arm at the same time. I was like, what? I thought it was pretty fire. But yeah.
Added a what? A vine boom?
A boom arm. Meaning that you can now basically in third person.
Right.
Yeah.
That's nice. But I don't remember.
Asking. Don't you dare say asking.
No. Yeah, no, I just don't remember having questioned you about this.
Haven't prompted you about this.
Yeah, I haven't prompted you. Yeah.
Oh my days. But yeah, that's I don't know. We'll see. But what we want now is these enemies to kind of like start moving towards the player, right? And for that, I wonder, should I have like, because I kind of have the possibility to just
No.
actually use. No, okay. They need to be able to move towards the player in through either like through the terrain, right?
No.
Like if it's just a sphere, it's quite easy to just make this happen. Now that I don't have a terrain, I can still use some kind of what's it called? A star, because it can work in three-dimensional space. Because the planet is a marching cube, meaning it also is kind of like voxel based, and I could probably use that to make the enemies find to players.
Yeah, I don't remember us asking.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Another simple, well, this is a quite stupid way of doing it, but it's a stupid enough way for me to just try it out. In here, we do have this, and what we can, oh right, I have that I can spawn in more enemies by left clicking. Funny. Woo! That's it's too easy to get distracted on this, but now that we can get the player. And if you get the player, we should have access. We do have the world, but we don't have the physics system. We would like to be able to manipulate the physics also in here. So I'm gonna take in actually the physics system and store it in here. I don't think this will work with hot reload, but if it doesn't, then it will crash. And if it does work, then that's fantastic. So we're gonna do. Well, also we could take it in as a parameter. Update. So you pass in. Yeah. Why not just do that? That's actually, I like it a bit more. I don't like to store systems inside of systems that much. I try to avoid it for now. Maybe it's a good idea to actually store them, but we're gonna do a, what's it called? We're gonna take in physics. Like so. Import that. That is just physics and Zig. So now we'll have access to that, and then in here, so we can take in the spawner, and we can take in physics, and it will be a pointer to physics. Can it be a const pointer? I think it can be a const pointer in this case. And then in here, we can go here like this. We will go through each and every entity in this thing, and if the idea of this entity is the player, well then we'll just skip it, and if it does not have a transform, we skip it. But else, oh yeah, but and it should not. Let's see. Another thing is that. So first of all, we need to check that entity type that find. Well, actually, yeah. Why not just do this? Then we don't care really. Just check that if the entity find is not enemy, then we'll just continue. If it's not, and if it doesn't have a transform, then we'll continue. Well, we can actually just, I don't know. So it's not that, or it doesn't have a transform, then we'll continue. Else, well, this should just immediately just, okay, we're gonna have to do a few things here. First of all, I just added this thing. So let's save that real quick. And now we're gonna have a problem where we reference this thing. We have to also pass in the address of self.physics, and that should work. Yeah, so now everything is teleported onto the player. You cannot see it, but they are. If I spawn more enemies, they are gonna be teleported straight on top of the player. If I go in here now, and we comment out this thing. Boom. So that's pretty fire. what we can do now instead, because we got the physics system inside here and we do have all of the enemies, we can do a what's it called? We can do we can get. Ooh, I don't know if I like that actually. Is that a bad idea?
Oof.
Yeah.
What's the bad idea?
In update, I first apply network. That makes sense. Then player input. I guess this is okay. Now it's kind of like doing physics and doing the game. But I think the game should happen before that. Yeah. So then if I do a change in the game, the meaning that it will take, can do another one, Zig build client. So we'll connect another client. And there we can see us walk and everything is pretty much fine between these two. Whoa, haha. Yeah. Yeah, these two are fine. So, now they will all just take one. Actually, we could see this now if you do this. One of them should get all of the... Okay, it didn't... Oh, wait. Do I have a typo somewhere? I must have a typo. Zig build... Let's see. No, it does run. It does compile. But yet the enemies are still not being... Okay, wait. Is it because of... Why is it not done? But that works. So that means that they are finding... Oh yeah, but that one breaks as soon as it finds... So this one is the one that is... Why is it not then teleporting all of them? Yo, what's up, Naimur? X, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to the stream, by the way. And... What the hell? This should... It just works. Why doesn't it work? Wait, entity transform position player. Right. Because of the ordering. Yeah, okay, now it worked. So now one of them has all of the... Yeah. Naimur, you're on Twitch and on YouTube. That's crazy. Okay, so wait, I actually have to do the physics before the update, otherwise that doesn't work. Interesting. I think we might have a kind of like a... Oh shit, it actually crashed because of that. That should not happen. Uh-oh. Oops, I started the... Okay. Another thing I would like to move while I'm at it right now is just... Instead of doing this... We don't need to store this value any longer. We can take it away from there. We can do this, and then we can just do it here in the init. We can say... We can do a 4 actually. 4... 0... 20. We'll capture that as an... I don't think we even need to capture it. And then we'll just do this with that. So we'll just do it once in the initialization. For heaven's sake. Do you actually need to do an end? If I don't want to capture it, can I not just do that?
If you don't want to capture it, just do underscore.
But I do need to make a capture.
Yeah, underscore.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And then spawner. Oh yeah, but I don't have the spawner inside of here. Yikers. But we could pass it in. by reference. Spawner. I don't have that anymore. And gosh, be it no field, blah 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 blah. And that should run. Yeah. And it should just spawn 20 immediately in there. So this is the same now. But we don't run it in the update any longer. Yeah, whoa, wait, what? Well, it said that it spawned 20, but I just see one. That's actually quite interesting. Wait, they fall straight through the planet? What the fuck? They're probably like inside. Wait, let me... Whoa. Yeah, they're all inside here for some reason. Huh. That's funny. Whee! Is it because the planet get initialized after this? Oh yeah, spawn the planet after. That's why. So if I change it to be like that, then we do this. Now we shouldn't have that problem. What, steel? Yeah. That's so funny. Oh, for heaven's sake. Okay, I was actually hoping to... It's okay, we don't really need it anyways. I'm just gonna take it like this and we're gonna... we can... But it would be nice to have an init in the game that doesn't... Why am I doing it like this? Why not do it like this, go here. And then let the game take care of this anyways. Well... I guess it makes sense, but it's also kind of... Well, I'm not gonna think too far ahead.
Yeah, as usual.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Still, I have a few inside of the planet. I don't really understand why I would have a few inside of the planet. Because I feel like now the planet definitely should have created all of these things. And they should exist. And then when it tries to spawn in enemies, they all get spawned pretty much over here. But yet somehow... That doesn't make sense, because... They also get a create body, which creates the thing in the physics system. Means that they should not be falling down. And in the physics update, let's see. I do pass with the delta time. It should be just a valid... Well, I guess it could be... No, it shouldn't. Well, I guess it actually could have such a strong effect. Because of the initialization, it takes some time to actually do what it's trying to do. So the delta time is really huge. And then it just calculates to fall through. Oh, it's okay. Let's just for now do this, and then we can just start it. This still works fine. So wait, why did it spawn any? Ah, right, because I pressed. Okay, wait, let's try again. Let's do this. Oh yeah, but now because I've already told it to spawn enemies in. I'm dumb as fuck. Okay, let's see. Now it should not spawn anything. Yeah, and now it will spawn a few. Whee! How many can I spawn before it crashes? Oh, that was the limit. I don't know. I don't know, I didn't really get a number then. I just kept spawning. But yeah, we probably shouldn't have, that shouldn't really be a limit, that thing over there. I don't know why. But, yeah. Actually, I could have seen there how many we got to. Oh no, because it started spamming with this. Damn it. That's okay. Okay. Now now we actually got all that we need to make them kind of like follow. So we don't want to do that, but we want to use the physics system because now we got access to the physics system. So what we want to do is we want to take self dot no, just physics, and we're gonna have to do that. Whoa, we're gonna do physics dot, and this is basically what we'll have to do. Either we'll have to do inside of physics, kind of like a function that we would call for this, or we just directly manipulate physics in here. Because this is basically, I would like to do the same thing that we do over here in the update for physics. Or we could also append commands, and the physics would then just process them in the update. That could work. But we're gonna go with just doing it straight in here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get the bodies, which will come from physics. So now we got the basics. And then here we're gonna go through. Each body is valid, the physics. Right. I think I can access... No, I cannot. I don't think I can. It's not public. In that sense, it would be nicer to just have it, but whatever. We're gonna do this for now. I usually just change it later on when I find out that this was a horrible idea. And so then what we can do now is that we can go through physics dot... can I not? Maybe we cannot. What am I thinking? Wait. No, yeah, right, that's from the actual... Yeah, wait. Yeah, the other way around. What am I doing? Oh my god. We're gonna... I didn't have the capital. Physics dot physics. There it is. We're gonna do this, and now it's fine. So now we got this. We got the... Well, I don't know if we need... We already got... We actually don't need access to it because I already got it. Yeah, what we actually need to do is we got the current entity, we got the player. So, and both of them do have... so we need to get the vector from, so player plus is equal to player dot transform. I'm not gonna do a check if it has a transform because it should have transform, and if it doesn't, then it's always gonna be center, so they're always gonna move into the center. And then enemy position is equal to entity dot transform dot position. So now I'm a dumbass, I just realized. Again, it's quite often I realize that. And now we got player and enemy positions. with these, we can now get a vector towards which direction we should get them to move. Let's see. Do I even have an end set in here? No, I don't. That's fucking crazy.
You have share though.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do numC. Okay, so let's see. Endset dot vec3. No, wait, it's just vec. We do not have a, is it look at or something like that?
We do.
For vectors. Well, I guess I can also just subtract
For
number.
matrices.
Yeah, but I can just do a vec3 f32. Call it const direction. Damn it. It's equal to, and then I should. Can I do just subtraction on these? Is that valid? Wait.
You can.
So wait, if I have, let's say, player position here, well, either I will have them move away, but let's see, if I have player position here, enemy here, and then I take the enemy player position subtracted from this one, then it will go, yeah, it should be this subtracted, yeah, I need the other way around, fuck. Oops. Like so. And then we will normalize direction. Oh my god. This is a very naive approach, but it's fine. And then we will... Well, actually, we can just normalize this. Damn, I'm getting best viewers stuff on the... It's pretty funny. Let's see, we can actually normalize it immediately. We don't have to do this. I think that's okay. And then we'll just add force towards, oh my god, direction. We don't do this in here, and this will be taken care of in the physics system, and we don't care about that. That should work. It crashed. Why did it crash though? Okay, what the fuck? I don't know. Let's see. I connect again with the client. Where's the planet? Ah, there it is. And then if I spawn a few, it crashes immediately every time. Either something is invalid here, or let's see. Doesn't tell me why. I must be using some invalid handles or something. I'm just gonna print one. Like that. Paste it. 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Let's see. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on 5 it crashes. So it crashes here when I say add force. And that shouldn't really be a problem. Let's see, what's the... Technology did nothing, lol. Oh yeah, I don't have it enabled. Wait a minute. Let's see. Can I still get it? No, I don't. No, wait, I do have it here. Okay, wait, let me see. This is gonna be so fucking annoying. Let's see, log in with Twitch. Sound alert. And let's see, I should find the link somewhere. Wait, where is it? Library, is it here? No. My uploads. Oh, my favorites. Where the hell do I find it? My alerts. What isn't? Where do I find my? Where is? Hold on. Highlights. I don't even know where I find the fucking link. Just in home. Let's see. Your sound alert browser source is offline. Go to alert setup. There, browser. Let's see. Copy that URL. Paste it in there. Make it on the screen. I don't know. Full resolution. Let's go. Control audio via OBS. I don't know what this all means. Okay. And for the disk of usage. Okay, it's online. Alright, so now it should work. I think. Yeah, there it is. Technology. I'm just gonna put it so it's not always occupying the stream somebody else is using. It's really annoying. But I don't think you guys hear the audio for technology or whatever it's called, because I don't. Yeah, maybe I won't have it. But yeah, that's chatbots. What else is here? Library. Let's see. Can I just? You should play it. Gonna load, yeah. It's crazy. Yeah. I'm gonna disable it. It's more annoying. Let's see. Why did I get this though? I think the value should though be valid. Let's see. Direction. That's a very, very small value, even though it's normalized. Ha. Well, let's do this. Let's do. I should be able to do that. Right? That should be fine. Okay, no, it's not fine. Let's see. File time error. What if I just add force? Okay. I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm gonna go here, and then do a 001. That should be fine. I'm just... Oh, no, it's not fine. Okay, so it's not because... Okay. So it's literally just this body thing is not valid inside of here somehow. Even though I do get it as a reference, the physics into the update should not be able to do anything weird. Oh. No, that should be completely valid. When it gets in here to the update, that's a completely valid thing. Yeah. I was thinking maybe I have a double pointer. Hello, Kayal. How are things? They are alright. How are you, by the way? I was thinking maybe I passed a double pointer by accident, but no. Let's see, physics update. Well, I did already. I think it might. I don't know if this should even be. That shouldn't even be. No. Why? Why? I don't think that should be a problem. But what we can do. We will not do the game update. We'll just comment it out. We'll go to physics update. And then we'll do the same thing that we do in here. Oh. Well, I guess... Okay. But why would... Okay, well, I guess that's fair. Yeah. Okay. I didn't think that would be necessary because we already got a valid, but yeah, okay, no, that's not what it was for. Okay. If physics.settings or motion properties null. Let's see. Okay, now it seems to work. Okay, yeah, okay. Damn, I cannot see those. Finger red number 1. Yes, I cannot see those emojis. It's pretty fucking sad. Okay, we don't need this then. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need this. We don't. Yeah, we don't need that. We don't need that. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Now they're all getting forcefully. Wait, something is getting pushed around here, but I think it might be even the player itself. Why is the player getting a force? The player should not be getting a force. Because if it's not... Wait. If not enemy... Player is not an enemy. Oh, but the camera is...
Oh, the camera is your enemy.
No, the camera cannot be... No. What am I thinking? Playing games? Wait, where is the crew playing games? Yeah, Harold, what the fuck are you doing? Playing games now, or what are you doing?
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Why am I being pushed around? I'm the player here. What the fuck is going on? Wait, I'm done. If kind is not enemy, fuck. Let's just connect without having any enemies. Right now, nothing should happen. Yeah, I just walk normally. Nothing weird is going on. All right. But then I spawn in a few enemies, and all of a sudden I'm being pushed around like crazy. And I guess that makes sense if now I disconnect. Okay, so now there's no player. Then we can go to the systems. We can tell it that there's a boom arm offset on 40, right? And let's can Connect a client. Whoa. Wait, why am I still not seeing the... Okay, I guess that doesn't get hot reloaded, right? Actually need to... What the fuck happened here? Whoa. Oh yeah, because it tried to actually send... Yeah, okay, yeah, I should probably get on fixing that. Yeah. Small problems. Okay, there. So now you can see we have this little fella. Why is the boom armor a little bit weird? I cannot rotate along the... I can rotate up and down, but not on the... Okay, something is weird with the boom armor. No, wait, it is working. I don't... I didn't just... I wasn't rotating. Okay, let's see. Let's spawn some enemies. Okay, yeah, because I am flying for some reason. As the player, I should not be affected by this. I don't know why this is happening. Let's reduce the force to 10. And let's get down. Yeah, okay. Let's spawn in some more enemies. I don't know, nothing seems to be happening. Let's do 100. Don't know. I believe I can fly. Okay, well now something is... I feel like it's the other way
I believe
around.
you can die.
I feel like... Wait. Body... I feel like it's like the player being... What the fuck is going... Oh wait, I'm pushing... What the fuck is... the fuck they're moving away from me. That's not what I was supposed to do. Do I have this wrong? Something is not right here. If people could fly, that would be awesome. Yeah, there's this thing called airplanes, but I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. I don't know, why is the player being affected by this? If... Oh, wait. No, yeah, if it's not enemy, continue. Or if it's... Wait. If it's not enemy, so if it's a player, then this is true, because that's not an enemy, that does continue. Oh shit. Okay, well that seems to work, kind of. Except for that it doesn't, but kind of works. I think it might be something that when it hits the ground, but I don't understand why me as the player is getting like crazily yeeted. That's so funny. Woo! Let's see, what happens if I go to physics and I disable gravity? I think I can just do this. Now there should be nothing that pulls us down. Maybe it's too powerful. Let's change this to maybe just 200. Whoa. Nah, I'm being yeeted. Why am I being yeeted? What did I do? I'm going pretty fast. Is even like what? I don't think this quite works. Oh, it crashed. Damn it! Why transform player segfault? That's interesting. Should not be possible. Unless if some kind here is incorrect. But how the kind should not be able to change, the kind should always be created. Let's see. What if I go back to game here and then here for every single one that it goes through, I'm gonna do std debug log, now log debug, and we're gonna say find, and then we're gonna provide it with the entity dot find, and then is it at screen, what is it called, tag name. Or is it enum name? How much time did I spend on learning Zig? I don't know, man. All of the live streams that I have ever done is basically what I have done too.
But you also knew programming before.
Yeah, I knew how to program in C before Zig. Okay, but this thing works as it should. Not as good as it should though. It is still applying the thing, but it's like weird how it does it. They just kind of stopped now all of a sudden. That doesn't make sense. Or is it something with the physics system that they're like teleporting back and forth so fast that you can't really see? Maybe I shouldn't be used. Yeah, okay, at least I would assume it's something like that. Let's see, we can do a take this down here, and we can do another one. Tell it that this one is direction, and it's gonna be a any. And then just direction. Did I say it? There. Yeah, that looks like a pretty normalized direction. Weird. Maybe it shouldn't be an add force. But what should it be then? Maybe I also have a little bit wrong with let's see. Motion type. What do I have on motion type? Add force, add impulse. Friction, motion. Point position. Get position. is set. Crashed on that. Libc start call main. Interesting. That could make sense if I didn't have the. I don't know, let's see. Oh? Okay. And then I could also do the same that I do here. I scale it. So nothing. Oh, okay. There they go. Oh, bye. All of them are just going away. I don't know. They don't want to stay with me. What the fuck? They're all just going. Maybe I'm doing this all bro. Well, I mean, probably once you. I think this one is still more right. And I think if let's see, we get direction we'd like to go. Let's not normalize it first. This is actually kind of like, well, it is direction. That's true. But we'll do a few changes with this thing. What we'll do here is we'll also do a if direction dot I don't have LSP.
What's up?
Hello,
And welcome
T-Chef.
to this video, and today's T-Chef is going to present everything he has made in the last 10 years.
That's
Yes,
crazy,
sir.
bro.
Yes.
Lucas, I know you moved, you have a hard time, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But bro, you gotta fix your background noise. It's like, bro.
Background noise? Are they still bad?
Oh, I have gotten so used to it, I didn't even notice.
Yeah, stop lying, bro. It's alright.
No, it's not. I
It's
hear every key you
alright.
press.
It's alright, bro. You don't get it.
Yeah, damn, it's alright. But yeah, how are you guys doing?
Good.
Fanta.
You're doing Fanta? Bro.
Yeah, fentanyl.
Oh, shit.
Damn.
Pretty crazy.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
I'm just crazy like that.
Yeah, I know. If distance is less than 100, then we'll just continue. And else we'll just do this. Distance, expected 2 argument found 1. What the fuck is the second one? Distance between 2. Well, I guess we can actually do this then. was thinking that we could just use... Well, I could provide 0, but it doesn't really matter. Player, position, and enemy position. Does this return an absolute? Square root dot pro. Well, I guess it will. Somehow it has to confirm, like I say, square root and a negative won't work. Ah, we'll see. Atishef, I think I hear myself from you. You tell me to
No.
fix. Well, I hear myself somewhere.
Oh yeah,
No.
wait, you do.
Yeah,
Wait, if I press on my keyboard, do you hear it?
press a little bit.
Huh. Wait, do
Guy-
you still hear?
Guy comes in, complains about my background noises, and then he has me. Nah, I cannot. This guy.
I swear,
mean-
you only hear you from me because you have so many
Are
background
loud.
noises, so that I like it triggers my microphone from the thing. Trust.
Trust, bro.
Wait, do you still hear just yourself?
No, I don't hear myself anymore.
Lucas, do you hear yourself? Like, these facts are not good.
Oh, you gotta hear yourself.
I hear voices in my head. That's all I hear.
Yeah, they're from Discord.
Yeah,
Dumbass.
that's crazy, bro. Wait. If distance is less than, then I don't really care. Else, I'm gonna do this and try to get them towards me. Yeah. Let's spawn in some enemies. Okay, well, I mean... Distance seems to be... Not even...
Right.
Oh my god, this is so hard to see. 2... I guess we can do 2 instead. So now the shoot... Ah, wait, what the fuck? If distance less than 2 continue, else they should do... Okay, there. Whoa! Why am I being yeeted like crazy? The distance is just going up. Like crazy. Why? What's going on? Yeah, immediately when I get in, I just start to accelerate away. I don't know why. The fuck? I am confusion. Add force direction. What if I don't know. Oh yeah, because I need to normalize the thing. Ah. Well, then I can take back this thing because now I don't really care because I thought I was gonna do a and set back. Normalize. Okay. So it should normalize the... It's not normalizing it. What the fuck? That's not the normalized direction. That's still not the normalized direction. The hell? What's going on? Big build.
Oh guys, I gotta show you my clouds.
Now that's a normalized direction. Your cloud?
Ignored.
Lucas, when do you have normal vectors for your planet?
Never.
Never.
We are not normal.
We are normalized.
What? No way.
Why am I being pushed? Why am I being I don't get it. The flag should not be pushed. This is so dumb.
Guys, watch my stream.
No.
Can.
Yeah, but Harold, we do watch.
Yes. Damn, bro, got those clouds, bro. Like you got that volumetric, like garbage. You got this like sun stuff, like damn, bro. And the different kinds of clouds as well.
I
Damn,
know. The
bro. At
ray
different
tracing, what do you say
elevations.
to that?
Yeah, that's pretty incredible, bro. Now, but these clouds do look fire, though. Like,
Yeah,
damn,
and
how
you
did
know
you
what
even pull
also
this
the crazy
off?
part is? These clouds are rendered in the cloud. I
Damn,
know.
that's even better. But bro, damn, like you actually got those like Columbus clouds or whatever,
Columbus.
right? Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, bro.
man.
These clouds are crazy. Like when you look up, bro, like you see like the sunbeams, they go through the clouds.
Yeah.
Like,
And what do
damn.
you say to the shape of the cloud? I think it's like so accurate. Like
Yeah,
when
for
I
real.
go outside, it
Bro, it
looks the
looks like
exact
real
same.
life. It looks like
Yeah.
real life. Like actually though.
Yeah.
And it's a really nice like daylight skybox you got like as well. That's really like it fits the clouds, right? Because there's not any clouds
Yeah.
in the picture.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
it isn't even a skybox. Like I rendered this, you know, like
What?
it's
It's
just
not
like
even a skybox?
no, no,
Damn.
no,
Like,
yes,
you're
yes, I
missing
know.
out there.
Yes. You
Bro,
see,
you
like
got
I
to
actually
show this on
rendered the
stream.
stars here, like the galaxy, you know. So it's not a skybox.
Damn, and the day-night cycle, bro, what the heck?
Yeah.
Bro,
And you
nah,
wouldn't know,
Lucas,
bro.
you're missing
It's
out.
actually, bro. Like I actually wrote my custom Vulkan implementation for this. Like I'm not even using Vulkan.h, bro. Like
Damn.
yeah,
That's pretty incredible.
yeah,
That's
no.
crazy.
Like I did everything this yesterday, I think, when I wasn't even online. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's when I did it. Yeah.
Damn, but Lucas, you got to look into your stream, bro. You're missing out.
What
God
did you do?
damn.
No, bro, I think I got cloud render.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's crazy, bro. You got a
yeah, yeah,
cube?
yeah.
That's pretty sick,
Bro,
though.
it's not a cube, it's a volumetric cube.
Bro, it's a cloud. What are you on?
Yeah.
It's a
Oh
Like
yeah,
cloud.
I
it's
don't
a
know what
cloud.
clouds are you encountering there in Sweden and Finland, but in Germany clouds look like this, alright?
That
Yeah,
looks
the
pretty
green cubes.
radioactive clouds.
Already
Yeah.
better than Minecraft clouds, not gonna lie.
To be fair, yes, yes,
Yes. And the clouds in the background, like of a galaxy, what do you say to that? I think it's pretty accurate.
Yeah,
Like
those are
the cube
incredible.
is definitely better.
Oh,
Because I
you
mean
did
that's
get
just
the
what I do.
shadows to work, or?
Nah,
Oh no,
they
that
kind of work.
No.
kind of work, yeah.
It's because I'm using an orthographic matrix and not a projection matrix. That's why they don't scale. You see, like they should be way smaller. But
Yeah.
my projection matrix is broken or something, so I don't use that.
Yeah.
Like, it's broken for that. I don't know. I don't want to fix my matrices. Like, that's just a headache.
Alright,
Yes.
sounds fire. Good job.
Yeah. Like exactly like it's promised, right? Like we said, ray trace and stuff, you know.
Hmm. I don't understand. It doesn't make sense. I don't apply any
But Harold,
physics
how
anywhere
did
else.
your national test go?
Yeah, alright. Except there was shit we hadn't even talked about, but that's fine.
Happens.
Yeah, well, our teacher is kinda bad at being a teacher.
That's sad. I'm gonna try this. If I go in here, and then basically this.
Do you know what's interesting is I think I'm the only person, or like the person in my school, with the highest grade difference among subjects. Like it's actually crazy, I think.
Damn, but that's because you're so goated at German.
Yes, I'm German, exactly, yeah.
Yeah. For real, bro. For real. Bro's the goat. The goat.
But what are these cubes doing?
Well, they're supposed to be attracted towards me, but I don't know that they are not doing it, and for some reason I'm
Maybe
being
you need
pushed.
to make the planet prettier. Maybe then they're attracted.
Nah.
Yeah, add normal maps and shit.
Yeah. I think that will attract the cubes like automatically.
Yes.
I need to like. It's so weird. If I collide with them, they kind of like reactivates, but that doesn't make any sense. They should still work, even if I don't collide with them. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. This is stupid. Like, why am I being pushed around right now? Why are they?
Or are you getting bullied?
Now none of them are being. Now I'm being. Okay, bye. Like, what the
Yeah,
fuck is
bully gets bullied. Am I right?
Yes.
Some game that
Yes.
devs deep dive operating systems to understand how their game behaves certain operating systems. Yes,
Yeah, no. I don't know who that person is.
neither do I.
Yeah.
I,
Bro, I'm making a window library and I don't touch it. Like,
you don't have shit.
no, I don't
Maybe you
test
can
shit.
look out of a window and you can see an exploration.
Yeah, kill yourself.
Hey, yo, whoa.
Nah.
Like, can you resize your window in real life? I don't think so.
No, I can't. Sadly not yet. It's coming. It's coming. Trust me, bro. Can we all just agree that T-shirt is just a window?
Yeah, it's a window.
Can I be resized?
Gregory.
No resizing here. Yeah, the swap chain is quite bad implemented.
Yeah, wait, you mean
Yeah,
the guy
How many
who
friends and
wrote
friends do I have?
Game Engine?
like 2
Or
or 1
yeah,
actually.
sure.
It's actually
Well, but please
0.5.
don't say that I'm using OpenGL, bro. If I'm running on OpenGL,
No. You're using you're using
You talk about this
Metal.
guy?
metal. Damn.
yeah.
I'm a
Mhm.
metal man.
Yeah, on an iPhone.
Oh, no, wait. I will jump off.
Yeah.
No, actually, I think everyone's.
Jump off
That's
a construction site. Yes,
okay. Actually,
Yes.
I'm fucked.
that's not really much better though. Well, next time.
I'm gonna run
Damn,
through
Ludo's
Cloud
going
right now.
Login mode. He's opening the vibe coding.
Yeah, I'm going into
Okay.
web coding now. I have no idea what. I feel
Web
like this
coding?
this
I
makes
don't
sense,
know.
but apparently what happens is not making sense. I have no idea why that wouldn't work. So I'm gonna
Damn.
ask. 4th edition is yeah, I know. The only thing I kind of I read the 3rd edition. The only thing I dislike is that it's the C++ language. But he do also mention
What?
in the
I
book.
thought it was just a C++ runtime.
But he do mention also in the book like how he is not like a big fan of all of the design patterns and over engineering of C++. Or
Really? I
that's
thought
not,
everyone was a fan.
or it's not. That's not the exact words he uses, but he do talk about it. And then like how you can, well, yeah. And I don't know how the new one is supposed to take even more modern C++.
No, ban this guy.
Yeah, disappointing. But he also highlights that it's like the industry standard for a game engine. So what can you do? Sadly,
It's not though.
well, it is.
Like,
No,
you
you
can program in a superior language.
Yeah, well the standard is like Python, bro. Like I don't know what you're on.
Game engine in Python.
Yeah.
You sure about that?
Bro,
Yeah.
the standard is JavaScript, bro. I don't
There's
know.
a couple of those Python game engines, bro.
Bro, guys, I have the best idea for a language, bro. You know, Java, JavaScript, and
Yes.
like C and C
Uh-huh.
script. Holy fire, bro. Cinema.
Right. And what features does this language have?
That's the one thing. But I mean, at least there's a fire name. And you know, the name is like half the language.
Oh yeah. Well, that's true.
Yeah, that's why C is so good. Nah,
That's why Zig is so good there, bro.
Actually, like Zig is like a very fire name. Like they probably used AI for that or something. Like this is
Yeah,
so good.
for real. Like I don't know, them C people were like, I see a bunch of errors. Well, C. And then
C++ 20, wasn't it even newer than that, or? I saw a guy who used
C++
Python and Vulkan for game
X7.
building. I also seen that guy.
Hell no.
Wait,
Ban
did you just
this
say
guy.
67?
I said 6-7. Ban this guy.
Yeah, I'm in 67. Like, wait, do you think C++ will, in the year 2067, will have a C++ 67 version? Or do you think they would skip
Totally.
it and have like C++ 68 or something?
I think they will have 67, and they will like bring back this like meme, which is gonna be so dead at that point. It's unbelievable. It's like after World War III probably. You know what?
Yeah,
I predict
but
World War
everyone will
III in 2027.
Damn.
Yeah. That's deep.
But I heard everyone will still be using C++ 11 at that point.
Yeah, most likely. Yeah,
Probably
nothing's
C++
gonna change.
-2.
Anyways,
Yeah, for real.
I'm still just
I think
trying
they
to...
should just scrap the project.
Still
Lucas,
just
this is
trying-
our podcast.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
So today our topic is what?
C++, C++'s future in military
Combat.
technologies.
Oh.
No. Anyways, so I think in World War III, you know, I think the Israelis will be too smart to use C++, so they'll use SIG, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
But then the Iranians will have so bad technology that they will probably use like JavaScript, right? Where I think it's gonna be.
That's a mistake, bro. That's.
Yeah, no, I know. I think that's gonna be the thing that makes Sweden win all of this, really, you know, because we'll be using like SIG Plus at that point, right? And we'll have like Andrew Kelly working on it at all times for us only, you know, right?
Mhm.
And then I think we just sell weapons to everyone that are gonna use SIG Plus, and it's gonna be amazing.
Maybe I'm just cooked right now. Holy shit, this is... I'm so dumb.
I think we can probably sell a
that's-
Lucas
Oh shit.
as well. That's like technology.
And that's a good idea, actually.
Yes.
Damn, I would have such a hard. How do you even call it? Like a diss against Lucas right now? I don't know.
Say it. You can write it to me and I'll say it. Is that if you don't wanna say it? A diss?
Yeah.
What could this be? Like your code's so bad, not even the American government wants it. That's a diss though. Well, I got a little ping in my ear. Oh. Well, no. Okay, I see. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I'll say it. You know, in World War III, we should sell Lucas to the enemy as a handicap.
Then sell me? What the hell?
Yeah. So you like ruin the enemies so badly that we will win.
Yeah, that
When the
makes
drones will explode.
Yes. Exactly. Like the drones will like explode and wait, they'll go up in the air and then they'll just do a bunch of spins, right? And then they'll just like fly up in the atmosphere and explode, I think.
But they probably will have hot reloading.
Oh yeah.
no.
Of course. They'll have hot reloading, but nothing else. They won't work at all, but they'll have hot reloading.
Okay, yeah, now I figured... Oh my god. What was I thinking? I did the right thing, I just did it in a dumbass way. But yeah, now the...
You did the wrong thing in a smart ass way.
No.
That...
Now it works. The enemies are attracted to the player. Oh my god.
They're very attracted to the player.
I don't even want to talk about the mistake that I was so fucking dumb. Holy fuck.
What was it?
I went through every single enemy here, right?
Uh-huh.
And then after I had confirmed the enemies, well, I guess I can undo the code to show you how pathetic. Okay, look.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna look at it, but sure.
Yeah, I went through every enemy, and then I got everybody from the physics system and applied the logic that was supposed to be in one enemy to every physics entity, even the planet itself got applied.
Damn.
Rookie mistakes. Rookie mistakes.
I don't know, man. I wasn't cooking. I was being cooked.
Yeah, you were cooked. Yeah, but like you're just on a planet with all these ops, bro. Like, damn. Rename them to ops instead of enemies. You know?
Hops.
There is
Lucas
up to
have
get to.
hacks.
What
Oh
are
yes.
what?
What are ops? Yeah, they're people who they're just against you, bro.
I don't.
They just hate you, bro. They're after you. You know, though. They're your ops. Like, Lucas, you should know what an op is. You have a bunch.
Guys, do you think if you program in a hot enough environment,
That
your
you have
code
hot
will
reloading.
reload automatically?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's actually kind of the reverse, right? So if it's like very cold, then the code will be so hot compared to the environment because, like, the code is gonna be so inefficient, right? It's gonna warm up the computer, right? And then
Yeah,
it will hot
could be,
reload.
yeah.
And maybe the
But you
temperature
know-
doesn't actually matter. Yeah.
You could also like use some crazy ass code, you know, that's like very pretty, you know, like a very nice way, and when it's so hot, like I think it will just reload itself.
That's true. I think that could be
Yeah.
viable. We should make a company and sell this.
Yes.
We can call it like open reload or something.
Yes. Why do you need it? It's hot.
Yes, that will be our like motto.
Yes.
Okay, there we got enemy movement kind of. This is the
Yeah, thank you, yeah, thank you everyone. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it was quite
Right.
quite easy making this.
Harold,
Yep.
good job working on this.
Yeah, thank you. It's been a pleasure. It was really
Yeah.
tough, but you know,
we made it.
I made it
Yeah.
work. I made it work.
And thank you, Lucas, for the idea of implementing it, and then Harold for the actually like implementation. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I mean we implemented it together, but mostly me.
Yeah.
So I'm taking all the credit.
Yeah. Yes.
Damn, that's crazy, bro.
Yes.
Because in
Yeah,
the
no,
comments you
that's-
can write by
it's-
Harold.
Yep. You can log into my account and you can do a push.
Oh my
Oh no, bro, I
days.
can't program because I'm just talking shit.
Yeah, that's bad. That's
Talking shit? Nah, bro, you're talking English.
Damn. But yeah, I
Are you
actually
calling the
generated a
language of-
noise image for variable density in the cloud.
Is it very noisy?
Yeah, it's like
It's time.
basically what I did to generate the noise. I connect to a kindergarten, like
Connect to a
microphone.
kindergarten.
No,
Hey,
no,
yeah, hey,
no, man.
yeah.
Whoa, what is
Nah,
happening
and
here,
then I
bro?
record, and then I got the noise, and then I use it to sample my density.
What do you record, bro?
Bro,
It's still a noise generator.
No. Oh,
Yeah,
how do you
okay, bro.
think noise generation works, bro? I think it was like Berlin noise was in the kindergarten, and then I think what was it? Like the noise with the cells? Is it cellular noise? Nah.
cellular
something with
automata.
Ah,
Ah,
it's with
really?
V.
T-shirt, was the connection strong?
Hmm. Yeah, that's
Like I
that's
think it's
usually
gotta
what
be
they
strong
say.
to get some noise.
Hello, Diamond up.
Oh hell no! Ban this guy.
Yeah, but I actually use three-dimensional noise for sampling the cloud density.
You're some crazy motherfucker.
Right.
Yes, I have a three-dimensional microphone.
3-dimensional microphone.
Oh no! You have a three-dimensional microphone. I have a four-dimensional.
Damn,
Yeah.
that's crazy, bro.
From Team U, by the way.
Damn.
Yep.
How
I
do
don't
you
know.
guys get your noise by the way? Like, do you just buy it in the supermarket or?
No, I usually have a dealer for that stuff.
Is that
Yeah.
legal though? Like, I'm not sure. Like in Germany,
I don't
think
know.
it's-
I haven't checked.
Hmm.
But like there's other things in Germany that are legal in Germany and not Sweden. So I think it's probably legal to buy it in the supermarket there. Yeah.
Makes sense.
I
Yeah,
mean,
but
that's
noise
kinda
has
true,
been
though.
getting quite expensive these days. Like, I don't know, like I heard like 10 euros per gram or something. I don't know.
I usually just buy per pound. I don't know.
Yeah, then.
But I'm
this
rich like
England-
that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Classic.
So, I need
Harold just-
noise every day.
He's just rich
Yes.
like that. Classic.
Yeah, I'm just rich like that. I don't know what you guys are on. Like one time I even bought a dealer because I had so much money left over.
Just
Yeah.
bought a dealer.
Yeah.
You made a great
Mhm.
deal. You know
Yeah, it
what I
was a
just
quite
realized?
good
My
deal.
create noise image creates the noise data, but never
Mhm,
writes
by-
it to the image. Like, bro.
So you've been saying that you've been recording these children in the kindergarten for no reason
Yes.
at all. Damn.
What the
It's
fuck?
all just
Yeah,
a waste.
like I allocate the data, write
Yeah.
it in the data, and free it afterwards. I don't write it to like a Vulkan image or
Damn.
something.
So you basically just like got all that data for nothing. You just like removed it instantly afterward.
Yeah, so I can say.
Bro, you know how much money I've spent on these cameras?
Yeah, nah,
Bro,
damn.
I've invested tons of money into this project. Like, why is it not done yet?
I think
I
I
expect
need
it
to
to be
go to
done
an
tomorrow.
island to work better.
Oh, the island, yeah, probably better Wi-Fi there.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
connection to the kindergarten. Okay, dann war. I guess. Okay, nah. Bro, it's so ass. I can't use my create image function for Vulkan because I need to create a three-dimensional image now. And so S, because if I add another flag to it, like, or like I have a Boolean flag right now, I have a flag for cube map, three-dimensional image. Like, does it take in like 20 booleans? I think I need to make like a kind of bit field flag.
A bit field flag.
That's
Yes.
a bitch field
But-
flag.
I think the solution here is to, like, you want to have three-dimensional noise, right? You got to, like, record the children's elevation as well.
Oh, yeah,
What
that's
the fuck?
smart.
What
yeah.
are you guys talking about on my stream?
Bro, we're speaking about 3D noise generation.
Like, I don't know how you render clouds without noise, but yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, while we're on the topic of children, it was so funny actually. I made like a tree, right? And then I put a bunch of children in a bunch of nodes.
Right. I do
Yeah, I even
like
had the children have like a pointer to their parent.
Yeah, and siblings as well.
What do you mean?
No, that's
What?
crazy.
Yeah, I also have
Yeah.
my own also points to their siblings.
No, I used to have the siblings like in a big list kinda.
Yeah, in a
Yeah.
Epstein
That makes
list, I
sense.
call it.
Oh yeah,
Guys,
exactly.
I just realized a major flaw in my code. It's like it works, but it's a major flaw.
What can I guess? Is it the code?
Nah, bro, I didn't. How did you know?
How did I know that? Bro, I'm used to experienced in these fields of like kindergartens and children, you know. I know what I'm talking about.
But, so I think.
But what were you?
Yeah. I don't know.
Great. Bro got so distracted by the children.
I think I could make this work. I should probably use this same approach. So I would use the kind of...
The kind of,
Because I will still get like kind of the seed, right? And with the seed I can then kind of... How does Minecraft do the pathfinding? Because I think I could replicate it in this...
A-star.
Yeah,
A star?
A star.
With
Yeah,
a
a star. They have like a star that guides the enemies. It's kind of like when Jesus was born, right? Like dudes, they follow the star. It's basically the same thing here. Yeah.
It actually makes sense. Like follow, you oriented yourself on the
Yeah,
polar star.
exactly.
The only problem is that
Yeah,
I
but
don't...
this is the A-star.
A star, yes.
Yes, bro. Like what star did you say? No, I don't like that one. We like the A-star, bro.
The only problem is that I don't have like the up is always depending on where you're on the
Down.
planet. And then I also don't use pure voxels, I use the margin cubes, but I can still use the same idea, you know, kind of
You're
like...
not using the pure voxels. You're using like the unpure voxels.
Yes, fuck
Damn,
you.
bro. Like you gotta cook better. Like what is this? We can't have this
Ugh.
unpure stuff.
So
It's gotta be crystal clear.
I was thinking either I would use
Exactly.
a star or I could use a
Another star.
no a like kind of like a field update of vectors.
A field, bro. I'm driving in a field in this game right now.
You know how
It's like a wheat field.
that's how RTS games does it, you know, if you
Wheat
have-
fields? They drive through wheat fields? What?
Oh my
What
god.
RTS games are you playing, bro?
Oh my god.
So I like actually a carrot field. Like,
Somebody
I don't
kill
know,
me.
I just some.
Carrot
like-
field, you say?
Yeah,
If-
they look prettier. Not gonna lie.
If
Yeah,
this oh my god.
True.
If this is
But wheat fields are really big. Look guys, we have a podcast over here.
if this is the field, right? So when you select units,
What kind of field is it?
oh my god, grid, and then you
Potatoes?
Grid?
yeah. So
Then
then
grid. I don't
Now-
grow grid on my
now
fields.
what this algorithm would do is it would just tell that if you're inside of this cell, you will move this way and that this. Let's say you can also go on the diagonal.
Are you growing cells in your fields, bro? What is
Yes.
this? Bioengineering?
Yes.
Bro, what the hell is this?
So-
Hell is guy.
If depending on what cell you're in, you don't even need to know like the actual. The entity will just say
Actual.
that okay, see that I'm over here. So to get to the destination, I will just move. I have a force vector that move over here, and as soon as it hits this cell, you'll see okay, I have
Wait,
another vector. That,
I'm not really following along. Wait, you have a field full of cells that you're growing, right? And then you have enemies trying to find you in the cell field.
Can I just kick this guy or ban
Right.
him or something?
And then
Yeah.
you force them to move, I get, towards where you're like at. Bro, what is this?
yeah.
By the way, Lucas, how I understand it, you look up the like player position in the grid. Then it's gonna be a 3D grid, right?
Like I like for this approach, I just need to calculate the whole like grid.
For calculate?
Oh my god! And then every entity will just see which cell am I in. You can of course also do scaling on this. Like you can have a big cell like this that contains all of these, and they will all have the same vector like that. But yeah, and then once the player moves outside of this cell to another, then you will do a recalculation on that. And of course, if this cell was blocked, then
But that just sounds like more work than actually doing A stuff.
not really, because if you have, let's say, 1,000 enemies, right? Then you would have to A-star every enemy instead of just doing a one like flood fill for the player.
But if you have one enemy, then you would have a grid that's like 100 by 100
Yeah,
by 100.
but like that's like, of course, there's for 1-to-1 it's not really, but if you have 1,000 enemies or 100 enemies, I think it's still worth to just do one update every time the player moves to a new
but
cell.
you know, I think it's actually sounds more difficult than A star, and I think if you want to optimize it later, then you can just do it later.
Nah, bro, this is actually kinda efficient, but the reason why it's efficient is because Lucas did not create it. Because he has seen the video. I don't remember the name, but I know the video. I know some video. I've seen all the videos on YouTube, right? So I know the video.
Holy shit, this guy is cool.
Yeah, but he hasn't watched any series, you know. I think probably didn't watch Breaking Bad. Did you watch Breaking Bad?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, damn.
Okay, this
Yeah,
guy.
but I know about Walter.
We need to put this guy to sleep.
Walter.
Walter.
I actually spawned in more enemies.
Put your DIY. What?
Yes.
Why do you even need pathfinding now? Like,
Because the enemies need to find a player. Isn't that kinda obvious?
Walter.
but I mean, on your approach, you don't have obstacles.
Yeah, but not yet. But they're gonna get in later on.
Mm-hmm.
Now this kind of works also as it is right now, you know. But
Harold, what do you like more, bread or toast?
Bread.
there's actually one thing I would like to do for debugging purpose.
Yeah, that's deep.
Debugging purpose is pretty deep, I agree.
No.
Lucas,
But
can you please-
yeah, that's what she said.
Lucas, can you please fix your prints? Or you're putting before -1, before, after. Reload XXD, before -1, before -0. Like, bro.
Don't worry about that's just for me, okay? Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about
Don't
it.
worry about it. Forget about it, bro. Don't Kakuna Matata. You know what I say?
Damn. Yeah, the context update has a nice value in the first spot. You're not gonna.
I wonder what does it say? God, I don't remember what it's for. There's just some information. I don't remember what it's printing.
Like 67 is probably 65.
I'm gonna
plus
pass.
3.
I'm gonna pass mouse wheel information now because I would like to mouse wheel delta maybe. I don't know. We'll store it like that. Now we can go to. Actually, it will be not in here.
Harold, do you know how Zig handles like custom size integers, like I67 or something? Like,
Yeah, it just becomes the like, you know, you can't have an I67, so it just becomes like well, in that case, I120 or some, or I28 or some shit, probably,
Okay.
or something that is like alignment, you know, good.
Okay.
Yes.
But is there a use case where you would use an I-67?
Yes, if you use a packed structure.
Oh, damn, that's smart. Yeah,
That's
that's actually
deep.
very good. Yeah. Damn, very good, yeah. Because I need these 3 more bits precision than my I-64, you know. Like,
Yes.
they're not quite enough.
Of course.
Oh shit, I actually have to go. I forgot about the time. I will tomorrow continue on with this. I need to go. Alright.
By the way, Lucas,
Hmm?
why is your jaw with underscore rotation and your pitch not? Like,
Because this is just the pitch. This is an actual like Hamiltonian
I
thing.
see.
Yeah. Okay, I need to go. See ya.
So, it's
See ya.
abrupt. Right, let's count.